Hey guys, this is Duke from Ketch. I want to walk you through the installation of our new electrical accessories plate for the PWR 129, and I'm going to turn this over to Marco to show you how you install this bad boy.
All right, we're here at the back of the Power 129. We're going to be installing our accessory plate with the Marinco 70 amp plug. And what comes in the package is the plate, the gasket, 2 flathead screws, 5 plastic screws, a 9/64 drill bit, a 3 30-seconds Allen key, a Phillips head screwdriver, a straight edge, a Sharpie, and a hole saw. We're using 2 5/8. So with this accessory plug with the 70 amp Marinco, you'll be able to hook up your battery and run wires throughout your boat to run your trolling motors, to run your graphs, or whatever else you'd like to run on the boat. So the first step in installing the Marinco 70 amp plug with the adapter plate is grabbing the plate as a stencil, picking which side you're going to install the plug on, grab your Sharpie, and we're going to mark the center of this circle here. So you're going to want to hold it up, center it as best you can or where you like it. You're going to take your Sharpie and you're just going to trace the inside of this circle. Just like that. All right, you're going to want to match up the corners of these flats and draw 2 diagonal lines. So one here, like this. One here. Like this. What that's going to do is give you the center of your circle for the plug. So you're going to take your 2 5/8 hole saw. You're going to use the drill bit in the center to line up your center point on the circle. And then drill out your hole, which we already did on this side. So once you have your hole drilled here, we're going to want to install the Marinco plug and gasket to the plate. So you're going to put the gray gasket that comes with it on the plug, push it down just like that so the holes line up. You're going to take your Marinco plug, you're going to slide it in the hole so the flats line up, just like that. Then you're going to take your 3 30-seconds Allen wrench and your 2 flathead screws and mount the Marinco plug. Okay, we're going to put our backing nut on next. Should go on like so. Tighten it up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take this assembly, you're going to drop it in your hole you made. You're going to take your drill with your 9/64 drill bit, get this thing nice and square, and drill the first hole. Just like that. So once you get that first hole in the top drilled, you're going to want to take your screwdriver and one of the plastic screws and start that first one. Now I like to get it almost tight so you still have some wiggle room. And you're going to grab your drill with the same 9/64 drill bit and drill to the diagonal hole. You're going to grab another plastic screw and your screwdriver, insert that screw in the hole. What this does is it holds the mount in place for you to drill the last 3 holes so everything lines up correctly. And then finally, insert your last 3 screws. And there you have it. You just installed your Marinco 70 amp plug.
All right guys, as you can see, we have our Marinco 70A all installed here on the PWR 129. This is currently going to be your best option for running the power from the back of your boat to the front of your boat for a trolling motor, especially if you're running a 12-volt system. A 12-volt system is going to exceed the 50 amp capacity of most of these plug systems. That's why you see a lot of people with burnt up plugs. Well, this is going to be the trick for 12 volt. You could probably get away with some of the lesser plugs in a 24 volt or a 36 volt configuration, but we like to be safe rather than sorry. So this is always the preferred plug on any of our installations. So We're looking forward to bringing you a bunch of new products for this PWR 129 platform, so tune in the future. If you've got any questions or comments, put them down there, and we'll see you on the water. Tight lines.